Welcome guys. Okay. Now we'll be talking about data types and variables. What are data types? Data types are a bunch of they are codes that allow you to store data in the realm of a computer. For instance, maybe you have in a house, okay, in your room, you have a position where you keep your pots. Maybe your cupboard, you have where you store your shoes, you have where you store your clothes, your shirts, you have where you store your undies, all those stuffs, where you store each and everything. You can't come out, you can't just imagine to put your pots on your bed. No, it doesn't work that way. Also the same. And you cannot put your clothes in the kitchen. The clothes you have taken out, wearing out your ironed clothes, and just place it in your washing dish, kitchen, maybe wash and base, or inside your toilet, inside the WC, just put it there. No. It doesn't happen that way. So also it happens to C programmers. So they have way of storing data, and they store data differently. We have what we call integers, that's the stored numbers. We have different types of storing data types. They are also a keyword. And I think we have short. I think is the smallest value you can store. I think we have byte. No, I think no, byte. There's no byte. Okay. I think we have short. We have long. Yeah, we have int. We have float. We have double. Yeah. So we have a couple of things like this in C++, and we have something called, and these types of data type that we use to store data, they are called abstract data type. They are inbuilt data types for the C programming language. You can make use of them, and I'm going to show you their importance now. These shorts, they have signed, unsigned. All of them, they have signed, unsigned. Signed and unsigned, it means maybe you want a minus sign, or maybe negative sign or positive sign. So that's when you make use of unsigned, unsigned short, unsigned long. So all those one or signed. So that's why you make use of. But by default, you make use of all this, so it allows signs and unsigns also. Short, I think. Then next thing is when we get all those abstract data types, and we have one primitive data types. Primitive data types are they are not abstract. They are not inbuilt output data types that came from maybe libraries. I don't know. They are from libraries, something like std, iostream. They are not inbuilt. All those inbuilt codes are something you find in these blue colors. All those inbuilt, there's a deep bold blue color, not something like this. These return types, they are keywords. And they are inbuilt keyword. So these one are inbuilt, and they are data types. And another thing is variable. Variable is a memory location in the computer. It's a location at which you keep your memory. Okay, this one I want to store numbers here. Then what do you want? Okay, which number do you want to store? Okay, I'll be using something like v. Let me say sh. Okay, to store number like x is equals y. Okay, let me say x is equals, this one can store at 10. So it's equals 10. So whenever you want to call 10, you want to make use of 10. And this x allow you to change the value. Variable allow you to change the value. In the future, so you're gonna understand what variable is all about and the importance of variable. Allow you to change the value. I didn't mean like just keep this as static. You can maybe I just use 10 times 10 times 10. You don't have chance to just change the value anytime. So I'm gonna show you. So let's put this one and y equals to int has more than, it can store much value. I think no long, yeah, it's also store long value. I think in, let's use in to store that value. This is of it's also store long value, like many value like 10,000, 100,000, 200,000 without floating point. But the value of this float is it allows you to store floating point 3 points. This all those ones cannot store points, and you can gonna try it, gonna find an error. But not now. I'm not going to try it. I want you to try it yourself because I know it's gonna have an error. But so you're gonna get something like maybe you want to get a pi that's 22/7. So don't forget to get a value because you're gonna get error. That's the pi. Double also it's also store large, let's say pi 2. It's also store large value of floating points also. If you have something like percentage error, like we're having 1.15 times 1.25 divided by divided by 1.25. Then let's see. Okay, let's just leave it this way. So I'm gonna show you the useful of this, one useful of this C out now. Then we want to print each and every variable out here. Then we want to print x. Then break to the next line and don't forget that's the keyword used to go to the next line. And let's just copy this a couple of times. Let's print out y. Let's print out in. Let's print out pi. Then let's print out pi2 also. So let's compile our own. Okay, we got an error. It said pi2 was not declared in the scope. Why? Okay, fine. Yeah. I understand. Because you see, I end every line. That's this in line. But I never end this line. That's why I'm having one code, one error. That's why this returning one error is said error. If you don't have something like this, maybe your error comment here. You can come to view and click on log. Or you can click F2 direct, normal F2 direct, and find it somewhere here. Then let's build, compile, and run. You see now, I have my 10, I have this, I have 3 points. Okay, look at my floats now. See, look at my double. You see, it allows long float. It allows me to use floating points. Okay, why are we not having floating points in float also? It also allows floats points. Okay, let's think of 1.45. Let's see, maybe it's gonna run. So we're gonna get, or you see that we're having something like that. But the uses of these floats is that if you are making a value that you are giving the value that you don't want it to divide something, because it's gonna divide. If you are divide and you have a point, it's gonna make use of, it's gonna round it up, or just round it up, or find a significant figure. So that's why you make use of double if you are using division or something arithmetic, logical things like that. I think you understand. I'm gonna show you the tutorial more again. I'm gonna explain. These are called keyword. All those deep things, they are called keyword, and these are libraries, aerostream, and they're also keyword also. And these are data types. They are abstract data types. that is inbuilt data types. They are inbuilt, all these they are inbuilt data types. And all these x, y, I, n, p, I, they are called variables. And we are saying, like the function I showed you the other time, that we're having x is equals to 2 y, I think maybe t or y is equals to 3. So you mean that x is equals to 4. That means equally 4 is equals to s, 3 is equals to 5. So that's also the same. Like variable is allow you to store values, so you allow you to make use of the value in any way. So as time goes on, you make use of variables, so you're gonna understand how we make use of variable. Then before we finish, we have one data type also we call car. Wow, it's fucking useful. And these data types allow you to store only single character. Like you want to store, say, equals to, you want to store something like A, store something like B, C, B, D, E, P, V, C, something like that. You want to store each character. Try to create characters, store them as much as you want. But this is the format. If you are storing something like number, you are going to store in block like this. But if you are storing something like character, putting 2 single quotes, then put the value. It's not going to allow 2 value. Okay, let's just try it so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see, it's not giving me. Okay, I think let me print it. Maybe you have the error. CH. Okay, I don't think it's gonna happen. See what we got. Okay. Thank God something came out. I didn't mean in C++. I didn't mean in C program language. It's not going to print anything. Even Java will never print something else. So now you print the last value of what you wrote. That's R. So I told you it's gonna print only single character. Even though you have 100 characters there, it's gonna print only the last character. It's gonna pick one and print maybe the first or the last character. You say, okay, it's print the last character. So it's gonna pick one and print, say, okay, bullshit, I don't have something to do with the rest. And let's check, maybe you can put double quotes. It's gonna work. Let's use double quotes. Gonna get error, I think so, yeah. So it doesn't take double quotes because there's nothing like this. So let's see, single quotes, yeah. So that is the format we make use of. Single quotes for character, and you pass the character. You pass the character in, then you run, it runs. So that's what basically. And again, we have what we call primitive data type. That's output data types. That's string. We have primitive. We have something called string. String is small letter string, or string, then we call it str equals to. This won't allow you to store something. You don't mention sometimes you want to store something like your name, like my name is Abidam Ola. So something like that. I want to store something like that in the memory. Maybe first name, last name. And how am I going to store it? So if I run this, let's say I want you to print something like st. Sometimes I'm gonna get error because of something. Okay, I didn't get error, thank God. Sometimes I'm gonna get error. Okay, thank God. It works perfectly. See, I get my name Damla. So that's primitive name. And you can also do something like this. Instead of using this thing, you can make use of your character, or make use of a pointer.